Welcome back to the Solidworks tutorial for the beginners. In this video, we will talk about how to create a basic 3D object out of a basic sketch. For example, a cylinder out of a circle. To do that, select the sketch of where the circle is and go to the Features tab right here and click the Extruded Boss/Base. Once you click that, you will see this yellow line, which is the preview of the cylinder to be formed. You can change the depth of the cylinder by clicking and dragging this arrow right here, or give it a value right here. For example, let's say 80. And now click this green check button or the green check button right here to finish editing this feature. Now, if you don't want, or if you accidentally key in the wrong value, you can go back to edit the feature by right click on this feature and edit feature. Now you can change the value again. Besides that, we will talk about the other options. Let's say you want to form this cylinder a little distance away from the top plane. To do that, select this sketch plane right here and choose offset. Let's say you want to offset it by 20 millimeters. And as you can see now, the cylinder will form 20 millimeters away from the top plane. If you click this green check button right here, you'll see that the cylinder is now floating on top, above of this top plane. Let's say you want to create this cylinder at the other direction, which is under the top plane. You can do that by going back to edit this feature. This time, choose the direction one in reverse directions, click it once, and you can see now it's reversing the directions of where the cylinder is formed. But you also need to change the offset directions as well. Click OK, and you can see now the cylinder is formed 20 meters away from the top plane, and a cylinder formed for 60 millimeters under the top plane. Now, there are other options. For example, if you want to create a cylinder that is 60 millimeters downwards and another 20 millimeters upwards, you can do that by clicking the direction 2 option right here. It's the same as before, just need to key in the correct value, which is 20 millimeters, and you can form a cylinder in 2 directions. As you can see now, it is 20 millimeters upwards above the top plane and 60 millimeters down the top plane. There are other options, and one of these options is to use the mid plane. For example, the mid plane is splitting 60 millimeters with 30 millimeters upward and 30 millimeters downward, where the sketch plane is at the center of this object. Click OK, and you will see that now it is split evenly and the cylinder is right. The top plane is right at the center of the cylinder. That is how you can create a 3D object out of a 2D drawings with some variations of the solid formations. That is all for now in this video. Thank you for watching and see you all in next video.